Today we learn about how to fix if Google One is not working, not opening on your mobile phone. So let's start it. Open settings. Click more settings and open app manager. Now open Google One. Now click storage. Click clear cache and click clear data. After that, just restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, you open Google One app and check it is working. If it is not working, then you need to uninstall Google One. After uninstalling, open Play Store. And install the latest version of Google One. So this is how you can solve your problem if Google One is not working, not opening on your mobile phone. So thanks for watching.